don't forget, this broadcast is only part of the PPR experience. At KUSI.com/PPR, you just heard about it. You can see full-length features like the Jerome's Furniture Sound of the Game. Turn up the sound, please.
Hey, you gotta make sure you say something funny because I'm mic'd up. We got UCLA left. We go right 33. Trips left. Hey, that's it, Twan. Good job, bud. What are you talking about?
Move us, let's go! Hey, what do you mean what?
They called a penalty. Like, is that my fault? We should put some Skittles in there or something. Keep going, keep going.
Hey, you gotta get down. When you get hit once, I get that you're trying to spin out of 3 different things.
Yeah.
But just chill.
You gotta respect it.
I don't know how I feel about that, man. A true dad.